Hello, I'm Dave, and on this video I will show you how to draw a very simple Spider-Man head. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Click that bell for notifications. So I started out with like an oval shape, more rounded on the top and less rounded on the bottom, because the bottom is going to be where the jaw is. So you see I just kind of got that oval shape, a little bit tighter on the bottom, more rounded on the top. Now just below the halfway mark, I drew a horizontal line, and then you can see now I'm connecting it outward, almost like a triangle shape, but a little bit further out, rounded on the bottom right side. And I'm going to do that exact same thing on the other side. Now I'm doing this with just a regular number 2 pencil to start, and that's just to get everything in line. Now I'm coloring it in. You could color it in with whatever you have, crayons, colored pencils, markers. I'm using a paint marker here. And I'm just going to color in all this red. And the purpose of this video, I want you to follow along and try to draw this on your own if there's something you want to draw. But then also I wanted to kind of prep you for my next videos coming out, where I'm going to draw Spider-Man in action. So it'll kind of help you get a good idea of just like how to draw Spider-Man's head, and then you'll kind of fit that pattern for the rest of his body when you draw the full body in action. So now, once I got that all colored in red, I'm using this paint marker to color around the eyes. And so it's just I'm outlining the eyes, but then I'm going a little thicker on those eyes because I want that to stand out more. So same thing on the left side, same thing on the left side, just filling in that space, but not a thin line. It's a thicker black line, but we're still keeping that white inside of the eyes. So once I got that, I'm doing these lines just straight, not straight down, kind of like a triangle, but they're not meeting at the same point. They're all kind of just off to the side of where I started. There is a central point right between the eyes. That's like the center point to start, but don't start right at that. Now just deciding to connect right there from the top of the head to the beginning of that eye, from the top of the head to the end of the eye, from the top of the head to the beginning of that eye right there. So and now I connected that. Now I'm just connecting all the way across with these upside down kind of like U shapes, and just connecting all the way around. Very simple. And now just going a little bit underneath the other one and doing the same thing, so they get wider as you go out because they have further distance to travel. Same for the top of the head, just kind of that upside down U shape, or like half an oval shape. Same, just a little bit beneath. And as we get closer, one more. So once we got that, now I'm just gonna outline the head with the black color. I'm just going around, very simple outline. And then you could end it with just some touch up if you want to. So I got a little red there. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and check out the video on the top right. That's a more in-depth drawing of Spider-Man.